DECENTRALAND value figure January 2024, the especially ordinary expense of DECENTRALAND mana could basically go to 155 toward January's end, which is very huge. Mana could in every way that really matters be trading around a biggest certainly worth of 160. With the base expected cost of 141, in an unobtrusive manner, mana value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the expense of DECENTRALAND most certainly is assessed to be at around a base really worth of 151. The DECENTRALAND esteem especially worth can show up at a restriction of 166, with the regular trading worth of 158 in USD, in a very large way. DECENTRALAND value forecast basically walk 2024. The expense of DECENTRALAND generally is expected to generally reach at the essentially the least fundamentally worth of 154 in 2024, which generally is genuinely huge. The mana cost could generally show up at a biggest worth of 172, with the regular trading cost of 162 all through 2024. DECENTRALAND value conjecture April 2024, the by and large typical expense of DECENTRALAND mana could basically go to 165. Toward April's end mana could basically be trading around a biggest in every way that really matters worth of 180. With the base which especially is genuinely critical is DECENTRALAND for the most part worth buying in 2024, really in spite of mainstream thinking DECENTRALAND's worth really should in every practical sense continue to reach out as lack will in commonly broad engage cost ascend in an unobtrusive manner in the event that it's not excessively truly much difficulty. Note there especially is a bet to any endeavor which sort of is very critical. Just essentially placed assets into what you can sort of accomplish preceding showing up at any goals and genuinely direct the best investigation possible. DECENTRALAND mana value conjecture January 2025 for January, the expense of DECENTRALAND generally is expected to fundamentally show up at an ordinary month-to-month furthest in every practical sense scopes of 217, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 223 and something like 198 in an all things considered large way. Mana value gauge February 2025. In February 2025, the expense of DECENTRALAND basically is gauged to be at around a base exceptionally worth of 217. The DECENTRALAND esteem sort of worth can sort of show up at a constraint of 234. With the normal trading commonly worth of 226 in USD, which most certainly is genuinely huge. DECENTRALAND mana value expectation walk 2025. Regarding fundamentally walk 2025 DECENTRALAND cost explicitly is figured to show up at a most diminished possible level of 224. The mana cost could for the most part show up at a most really outrageous possible level of 200.